Dealing with the Audio Interchange File Format Library DLL error in Localized AIFF audio orchestration app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Audio Interchange File Format Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Audio Interchange File Format Library. This library manages the parsing and high-fidelity streaming of audio interchange file format AIFF files, common in macOS-to-Windows ports. If missing, media players will report format not supported, or video editors will crash when attempting to import legacy Apple audio assets. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Unlike system-wide DLL's Audio Interchange File Format Library, DLL is unique to the Localized AIFF audio orchestration environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error, from its official source is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Audio Interchange File Format Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Audio Interchange File Format Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Audio Interchange File Format Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Audio Interchange File Format Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.